Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making some beef with an orange and ginger sauce, and really looking forward to it. Sort of in a, I guess a kind of quasi Chinese style, but I'm kind of making it up, but I think we'll get some nice flavours into it. I am going to pre-cook this beef first. I'm going to fry it first and kind of get it maybe semi-crispy. We'll see how we go, and then make our sauce and then just finish off our beef in that sauce. So let's get on with it. I've got two nice pieces of Scotch fillet here, and they're about 250 grams each, so yeah, 500 grams of Scotch fillet. And I'm just going to slice that reasonably thinly, and of course to do that I'm using my Vosteed Morgan chef's knife. Always up for the task, slicing, all that sort of stuff. Check out the link in my description to it. Not much more I can say about that. Have a look at them. So yeah, just sort of long strips like so. I'm not being too pedantic about it. They don't have to be ultra thin. Now once I got that beef sort of sliced up, like I say, reasonably thinly, but whatever. I've just got here about a quarter cup of corn flour that I've just seasoned with some salt, and I'm just going to throw my strips of beef into that bag. Seal it up, and I'm just going to toss that beef around in that bag. Get it all coated with the corn flour or cornstarch, as my American friends call it. And we're just going to put that aside for half an hour or so. Alrighty guys, it's about half an hour later. I've just been heating, in the meanwhile I've been heating some vegetable oil in my wok there. So now I'm going to get my pieces of beef out. We're going to fry them. And I'll probably do this in a couple of batches. Alrighty guys, it's time to get this dish together. It is a relatively easy dish, like actually really easy, as you'll see. So we've basically done the hard work, cooking that beef, letting it drain over there. It's sort of semi-crisped up a bit. It's not super crispy, but it'll do. Now, I've just emptied all that oil out of my wok, and I've just left a tablespoon in there. And that's just warming up, so all I'm going to add to that now is I've got one red onion that I've just sort of cut into these little wedgie sort of bits. I've got one red capsicum, or bell pepper, as my American friends like to call them. And I've got one big knob of ginger that I've just sort of julienned up. And we'll just give that a little stir. Alrighty, that's literally only about a minute later. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5 spice. 1, 2, get another stir. Alright, again moving along quickly. I'm now going to add the juice of 2 freshly squeezed oranges, 1/3 of a cup of light soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup of beef stock. Now give that a stir up. We'll let that come to the boil again, and then we'll just let that simmer for 2 or 3 minutes. Alrighty guys, so that's been simmering now for probably more like about 3 minutes than 2. I've just got 2 sort of heaped teaspoons of corn flour that have dissolved in a bit of water. I'm just going to throw that in now. And we'll just stir that up and keep stirring it until our sauce changes consistency, which it should be pretty quick. And again, I'm just going to let that go just for another minute or so. Alright, I'm going to turn that down a little. I'm going to grab my beef. It's been sitting over there. I'm going to throw that in. And we're basically just going to warm that beef through, coating it in the sauce, and we're ready to serve. Just about ready to serve. Now those oranges I squeezed, I didn't throw them all away because I'm now going to just julienne some orange pieces, whack on it. Some lovely zest. And of course, when I garnish my individual dishes, I'm going to use some more of that zest as well. Alrighty, I'll give it a taste. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've served up a plate of my orange ginger beef. Just served it plain and simply with some rice. That's all we need really. Yeah, let's give it a try, eh? I'll just show you a bit of beef up close, but you know it's The flavours in that sauce that's sticking to it are really, really nice. There's a really nice, yeah, obviously a ginger flavour. Those of you that watch my channel a fair bit know that I add chilli to a lot of things, and this one I deliberately didn't add chilli because I just wanted the heat from that ginger just for something different, like a different sort of heat, not like a really different, you know, as you know, a really different heat to chilli. And it's really yummy, and that orange that's sort of behind it is just yummy as well. That is really good, if I do say so myself. Something a bit different, and Oh, I won't eat any more now. I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of that for lunch. I'm really hungry, and that is delicious. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks everyone who's subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, thanks for watching. I appreciate that. But yeah, consider hitting that subscription button, that little ding-a-ling bell that goes along with it that notifies you when I upload videos, and that'd just be awesome if you could help me out that way. It does my channel really sort of helps. That's all I can say. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.